So being a YouTuber, of course, I make videos. When you make videos, you gotta store them somewhere. So most people, they're gonna store them on their main hard drive or an external drive or some sort of drive. So my particular setup, I have 5 drives on my computer. So I got my main drive, that's your startup drive, your application drive, your document drive. That's a 1 terabyte. I have a backup to that 1 terabyte that's also in the computer, and it is also a 1 terabyte drive, and it is a spinning rust drive. And that is strictly for backup reasons. In case the solid state drive takes a crap, then you can just go right to your spinning rust drive and continue on like nothing happened. The remaining drives are all smaller 240 gig, 120 gig drives. They're all full of YouTube videos. I'm at the point now where now it's time to transfer all of them files to another drive for long-term storage. So I use a Seagate Exos. This is the Enterprise series. This is a 14 terabyte X16 drive. And I store all my YouTube videos, the archive of all the videos, on this drive. And I don't have any fancy caddies or stuff like that. I just break out the newer technology USB 3.0 universal drive adapter. Plug everything in, plug the drive into the computer, wait for it to come up. There's my YouTube archive. And the last time I put files on here was November 22nd of 2022. So now we're in December of 2022, and I'm ready to transfer some more files onto this drive. So all I'm going to do is go to each of my drives that are all full. We're going to select them all, and we're going to drag them over and dump them all in the file into the hard drive. So there's 113 gigabytes going in that one. Close that one up. We'll open the next one. We'll select all of them. We'll drag them all over the drive. So there's the first one had 47 videos at 113. Next one has 50 videos at 236. And then our final drive here, that's full. We got 85 items at 235 gigabytes. And we'll just let that all transfer to that long-term spinning rust here. And when that's done, I will go through the other drives and delete everything and start the process all over again. And then my storage solution to this is just put it back in the drawer where it come from. So that's how the laboratory of the RollingTardis YouTube channel does his long-term storage. I got a long way to go to fill up 14 terabytes. And then once that's full, just get another one. Because nowadays that hard drives and storage solutions are getting cheaper and cheaper by the year. It doesn't take much to have long-term storage solutions. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.